Hello everyone and welcome back to another Dollar Tree review. Today we're going to be reviewing the LaColors lip scrub. This is $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. This is a sugar lip scrub. It states that it is smooth and softer. You use this for smooth and softer lips. It gently exfoliates lips, and it exfoliates lips with sugar, softens lips with vitamin E and coconut oil. So what the packaging looks like. What it looks like out of the packaging. Just has a clear lid. That looks like. So I've used this a few times now, and here are my thoughts. It does take a minute when you first open this and start using it on your lips. It takes a moment for the grit to really get started. It does exfoliate your lips. If you overdo it, it's gonna make it a bit rough for the lips. Honestly, I do like this as a lip scrub, and I'm only going to use that for a lip scrub. I'm not going to count on this to moisturize my lips or soften them, to be honest. Like, just to remove dead skin from the lips. This is not very moisturizing. In my personal opinion, this is not very moisturizing. It leaves my lips feeling dry. And so after I use this, pat off the excess sugar and product that's on the lips, then I immediately feel that I need a balm or a gloss or something on my lips to compensate for how dry they feel. So I don't think this is moisturizing at all. It does work as a lip scrub as it is suggested, but I do not think this product is moisturizing at all. And that is my thoughts on the LaColors Sugar Lip Scrub. And thank you guys so very much for watching. If you have any other comments or questions regarding this LaColors lip scrub review, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like this.